this video, I'm gonna do a summer makeup, and trust me, this looks really amazing every single time when I do this type of makeup. And anyone can look good in this type of makeup, and also this is very easy to follow. To do this makeup look, these are my inspiration. By the way, this is the makeup series where I'll be sharing all the Pinterest inspired makeup look in every single video. That is gonna be very easy to do and follow, especially if you are a beginner and kind of very new to makeup, but still you're gonna give that same vibe which you see on the Pinterest all the time. The first thing that we need to do is to do our skincare, which could be very easy or complicated, and it completely depends upon your choice and preference. And mine is very basic. I just use my simple moisturizer and my lip gloss. That's it. So now I'm gonna let this skincare marinate into my skin so that it can give me a very flawless kind of a base makeup. Now for the makeup, I'm gonna first color correct my skin because you can see I don't have an even skin tone. So first I need to fix it, and to do it, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. color corrector. You have an oily, sensitive, or any kind of skin, this works really amazing. And I'm just only gonna apply it under my eyes and around my mouth area. Then I'm going to blend this color corrector. After this color corrector, I need green color corrector because I have redness and red bumps and I need to conceal them first. So I'm just gonna first take a green color corrector and I'm gonna spot conceal these areas very roughly. I'm not gonna be very precise about it because it's gonna consume a lot of time. And that's it. I'm just doing a very rough application of this green color corrector and also around my nose. Now I need a concealer to neutralize this area, and to do it I'm going to take this L'Oreal Paris concealer, and this is the exact same shade of my skin tone. So first I'm going to neutralize this color correction by applying only over this color correctors, and that's it. I'm going to blend this concealer with this Doom kind of a brush, and I'm just only going to blend in the tapping way. I'm not gonna drag it or else my base makeup is gonna look very dry and patchy. Now I'm gonna apply the foundation over this blending, and to do it I'm gonna take two foundation, which is one from Nykaa and the other one is from Maybelline, because this is the shade of my skin tone and this is a bit darker for me as I want my skin to look a bit tan, as summer makeup looks really good if you get yourself a bit tan. So to do it I'm gonna first take one drop of this dark shade foundation and 2 to 3 drops of this same shade foundation on my hand. I'm gonna blend both of it, apply it on all over my face with the same brush. I'm gonna warm this brush into this foundation and I'm gonna apply it like this. Let me tell you, if you don't want to use this foundation blending or don't like to get tan or look a bit dark, don't go for this one. It's a complete optional step. After this I'm gonna do my eye makeup first because that needs to be done first before the other base makeup part. So to do it I'm gonna take a brow gel, to take this e.l.f. brow gel first to stick my brows into their place or else it's gonna look very bushy. And also summer makeup needs to be sweat proof as well. So I'm going to first apply this brow gel over my brows and I'll be applying it in the upward way. Yesterday I've plucked my brows and they are looking very amazing because I don't usually go for very fine and lifted kind of a brows, and you can see they are looking very amazing because I don't get them done from any other person except from me, because I really hate to go for a complete threading method. I don't like it because after some time it kind of gets very obvious into that area whenever you do that threading thing. So I just only pluck my brows. After applying this brow gel, I'm going to fill my brows, and to do it I'll be taking this e.l.f. brow gel, and this is the same shade of my natural eyebrow color, and I'm just only going to fill my brows. Do it like this, and then I'm going to carve a tail from the end so that they can look very long. And you can see, okay, the brows are done. Now I'm going to do my eye makeup. I'll be blending any harsh line or build up on my eyelids. Setting your eyelids before doing the eye makeup makes your eye blending very easy. And I'm going to take some powder to set my eyelids. I'm going to do the brown eye makeup because summer makeup usually have warm tones. So take this brown shade. This is from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to apply this shade on the outer corner of my crease line and only till the half lid, and then I'm gonna blend it towards my outer corner. I'm also gonna apply this shade in my lower lash line because we need brown smoky kind of a look. After blending this shade, I'm going to pick a shade darker than this brown. So I'll be picking this brownish red kind of a shade. I'll be applying it on the outer corner of my eyelid so that they can look a bit intense, and I'm just only gonna apply it in the tapping way like this. And then I'm gonna blend it inwards only till the half lid or the center of my eyelid like this. And I'm gonna blend it as much as I can so that this area doesn't look harsh. I'm gonna pick a light brown shade which is lighter than these two shades, and I'll use this one, and I'm gonna blend it into my crease line so that everything looks very blended and effortless and soft. And I'm just only gonna blend it, and also I'll be blending it all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to pick a black shade. You can take any dark shade, and I'll be applying this shade in my lower lash line till my inner lid, and I'll be smoking it like a wing very softly. I'm also gonna apply some of it or blend it over my upper lash line till the half lid. I'm gonna pick a black pencil, and I'll be extending my inner corner with this pencil, and this is gonna make my eyes look very elongated and kind of long. After using this black pencil, I'm going to take this golden shade, and I'll be applying it in my inner lid till my crease line like this. Now I'm going to take a mascara. This is from Makeup Revolution, and there's definitely no need to add fake lashes. And also I'm going to apply this mascara in my lower lash line. After doing the eye makeup, I'm going to use this concealer which is from Milani, and this is 1 to 2 shade lighter than my skin tone, and I'll be applying it underneath my eyes and also here because I want them to look very snatched or lifted here. And also I'm going to apply it here. I'm going to blend this and just only going to blend it, but I'm not going to take it very close to my eye makeup or else it's going to be gray. You see, it's giving a very subtle kind of a lift. This makeup, the under eyes should look very matte. Still, we're going to use the loose powder so that our under eyes doesn't get oily after some time. And to do it, I'm going to take this from Maybelline, and I'll be buffing this brush into this powder, and I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to use the bronzer because there's no point in doing a summer makeup if you're not using a bronzer. So I'm using this from Nykaa, and this is actually a foundation stick, but this is very dark and warm kind of a brown shade, and I'll be using it over here, here, and over here, and also here. I'm going to blend this bronzer into my hairline. Do this nose contouring blending towards my brows, and it's still not looking very warm, and to look more warm I'm going to use a powder bronzer, and I'm going to use this from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade Oasis, and I'll be using it in a very less amount because this is very pigmented, and I'll be dusting it over cream bronzer like this, and I'm going to apply it over my nose because I want it to look very brown. I'm going to apply this bronzer over my cupid bow because this is also the area which should look very bronzy. Now I'm taking a very vibrant kind of blush shade. This is from Mars. So first I'll be warming this up on the back of my hand, and I'm going to apply it over this bronzer and also underneath my eyes because this should be a sun-kissed kind of a look. Now I'm going to do some fake freckle marks because that looks very amazing. And to do it, I'm using this brown lip liner. You can also take brown pencil, any you have by your side. And I'm also going to highlight my mole. I'm going to take a very brown kind of highlighter. This is from Dream Beauty. So I'm going to take this very little bit. I'll be applying it on my nose bridge. You see? Very pigmented. So on the nose tip and on my inner corner. Also on my cupid bow. This is a mix of brown and a golden kind of a shade. And now I'm gonna do a very warm kind of a lip combo.